Hello there, I'm Kevin Ragland, and in this video I wanted to show you how I shade lips. I'm using IbisPaint again. It's fairly simple to shade lips, at least the way I do it, and like easier than eyes, which I also had a video showing how I shade eyes, if you want to watch that too. Let me draw some quick lips. Hold on, okay. This is not going to be a great drawing. It's just a quick drawing. Let me do a little blue layer under here so it'll be easier to color. And let's see. Okay. So we're going to use more of like a skin tone. Let me just put lips here. Alright, just like that. And then we can fill it in. I don't know what that was about. Okay. Okay, things are going wrong. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we can finally do the thing I was setting out to do here. Let's put on alpha lock. We're going to switch to the airbrush normal pen. And since we're doing this color lips, we'll just do like a darker color of the same color to shade it. So what I like to do is just totally shade the top lip like this, because the top lip, if you look at yourself in the mirror, you'll notice that your top lip, if your light source is above you, your top lip most of the time is just completely shaded because it's kind of pointed inwards. And then you have shading on your bottom lip like this. And how dark you go with this stuff really just depends on the lighting or however you personally want to do it. But this is usually how I do it right here. Okay, my lips are very lopsided. Ignore that part. And then when it comes to lighting, we're going to use like a white. The highlights on the lips, it really just depends on if you're trying to do more natural looking lips or more shiny lips. So if we're doing more natural lips, we'll do like a lighter outline like this, as you can see. And that makes them look a little softer. Or we can, if you're doing more of like shiny lipstick, let's make these look a little bit more like lipstick here. If we go to this, oh, that's already almost good. Like, okay, if we just do this, there we go. So then we use white again. We can just do this like a more heavy shine like this, and maybe a little on the top depending on how shiny you want to go. And there you go. That's how I shade and highlight lips in IbisPaint. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I will have more videos like this soon. So yeah, have a great day.